A is for alligator pear, who lives in the swamp. B is for Bali, who eats honey non-stop. C is for cat, who sneaks around at night. D is for dog, who guards with all his might. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. F is for frog, who jumps all day long. G is for goat, who loves to chew. H is for horse, who gallops fast too. I is for iguana, who climbs so high. J is for jaguar, who runs in a blink of an eye. K is for kangaroo, who hops up and down. L is for lion, king with a golden crown. M is for monkey, who swings in the trees. N is for nesty, where birds find peace. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for peacock, new with feathers so bright. Q is for quetzal, so colorful and rare. R is for rabbit, who hops here and there. S is for scoter, who swims in the lake. T is for turtle, who moves at a slow pace. U is for umbrella bird, with feathers so neat. V is for vulture, who soars in the heat. W is for wolf, who howls at the moon. X is for X-ray fish, that glows in the blue lagoon. Y is for yak, so fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, with stripes all along.